Top 5 mistakes when buying real estate in Turkey. Have you wondered how bad things can get for you if you make mistakes when buying real estate in Turkey? No, this is not to scare you. Rather, this video is to expose common mistakes international property investors like you make when buying real estate in Turkey. Hi, my name is Aydin and I'm a real estate investment consultant in Turkey with tons of references, specialized only for helping foreigners like you invest in the real estate market in Turkey. So, in over 10 years of my experience, I'm going to share with you the 5 biggest pitfalls to avoid when investing in the real estate market in Turkey. So, let's begin. First of all, you need to establish whether the property you want to acquire is for investment or for personal use. That is holiday home or for both. So you spending a couple of weeks researching and acquiring your dream asset only to find out that the environment is not so good for you. Trust me, that's not a situation you want to find yourself. For example, Istanbul is not a beach holiday place. Istanbul is a fast-paced, bustling and expensive city. So it's mainly for investment. If you want to combine both investment and holiday, Alanya and Antalya is a good choice. Property price is affordable and rental viability is high. Plus, a good relaxation destination for vacation. Cocktail bars, restaurants, bazaars, live music, and hotel along the beach lines while inland. Avoiding this pitfall will give you a good chance of reselling your property at a favorable price in the future. So while you put some effort into getting your desired property, also watch out if the location and the environment are good for you. Number 2, build a good relationship with your real estate company. Now, this is very important. But first, you have to work with a reliable and reputable agent. How do you do this? Good real estate companies have references that they can share with you. Check out the reviews of the clients who use their services. After partnering with an agent, you have to take the next step to accurately communicate what you're looking for in a property, and most importantly, what you plan to do with it. Good agents do not have just fixed property to sell you. They meet the demands of customers by first listening to them and then go out there to look for properties designed to the specifications and taste of their clients, unlike most real estate agents out there who just wants to close a deal quickly. This guarantees value for your money because you will get desired features in the property. Number 3. Request inspection tours, also known as viewing trip. You might have seen a great demo apartment, good pictures, stylish furniture, and nice decorations. But the truth is, what you saw on the demo may not be what is actually in the apartment. This is why it's good for you to request inspection tours before you purchase this property. This is why I help my clients secure free accommodation for a couple of days for property viewing tours before they make a purchase. Once our client made up their mind to buy a property in Turkey, they immediately book a free viewing trip over here. If you want to get more information about free viewing trip, please get in touch with me. This will make sure that they can check if the property and environment is right for them. This way, they get total satisfaction and experience no doubt when making the purchase. Number 4, trying to save money by avoiding real estate agents. Some international property investors think that they will save money by not dealing with real estate agents. You should know that the real estate market in Turkey is totally different from what you have in Europe, UK or US. So there is no way you can know the correct market value of properties because it is not controlled in the same way. So with the professional real estate agents, you can avoid the long and stressful journey of buying a property in Turkey. A reputable agent will give you good information about current market value of the properties and best prices to buy it for. A professional agent will also tell you about home maintenance companies, help you find tenants if you want to rent the home, and even follow up on your taxes long after you purchase the property. You will not only save money, but you will also save time and effort when you work with a reputable real estate company. Number 5. Limiting yourself to a certain budget. It is definitely a wise decision to know your finances and not stretch yourself thin. But sometimes tweaking your budget might be the difference between getting a house you desire and losing it. In Turkey, as with everywhere in the world, the location, the square meter, and the interior of a flat vary extremely within a small percentage. For example, increasing your budget by even single-digit percentage points could mean the difference between purchasing a 2+1 and a 3+1 property. This could get you a guest bathroom or even a balcony with a view. So what you need to be considering is the advantage you are gaining in the long run. Always remember, whatever extra you end up putting into your investment will pay dividends later when you decide to rent or sell your property. So that makes the top 5 mistakes you should avoid when buying property in Turkey. Remember that the real estate investment is one of the most important decisions anyone, including you, would probably have to make in their lifetime. So be sure to avoid the highlighted mistakes and be guaranteed to enjoy peace of mind when acquiring the property of your dreams in Turkey. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like it, share it on social media, and subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date with Turkey real estate market. See you soon.